Hello everybody, this is Dr. Dan. We are doing upper face rejuvenation. We've already given him Botox and we are going to start doing his filler in this area. So again, I will explain again, when the frown line muscles, because we keep moving them over years and years, they sometimes create these scars around this area, which will not go away when we put only Botox, because you will still be able to see a divot over here that has been created. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go in and inject a little bit of filler in this area. I will also put a tiny bit of filler in this area to see if he can get a better result. And he has a party to go to, so we're hoping that we can help him look his very best for the party. I like to use restalyne in this area because it's a very delicate area, and plus I like the filler, the way it looks like in this area. I've used some other products also, but my results are always really much better with this one. Lasts also a bit longer. Already you can see the difference, and his difference will only improve. So this line that forms right on top of our nose, it sometimes is a pain in the neck to take out because there is too much loss of collagen in this area. So this is like nasal bridge. He will have to massage this area. Nice. Okay, so you can see this area, and now he has some lines up here. I'm going to continue and start he has a tiny bit of filler left, because after those lines there was not. So I'm going to keep injecting. One of the things his concerns was that, oh, will I look lumpy before the Christmas? But the thing is that tomorrow, for the next 48 hours, he might look a tiny bit swollen in this area, and that is only for the next couple of days, and then it starts settling in, and it settles in really nicely. So usually the work that we do on the forehead, I usually tell people that it's almost like fine gold work, you know, goldsmith work, because it's like really tiny. How long will this filler last? Well, in his system, this should last for anywhere from 6 to 8 months. The Botox will last only 3 months, so we're already, the entire world is looking for products that will last longer, and whoever is going to discover something that lasts the longest is going to be really rich or useful to humans. And they're also trying to find Botox that is topical, that they're saying that we'll just apply it on our, so you can see, like, already I put like very tiny amounts. I'm like, I'm not putting a lot, and you can see already most of his lines are already looking better. I have a very tiny amount left. I'm going to put a tiny bit more over here, and then we're done, and we'll show you what he looks like in a little bit. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how painful is this procedure for you, where with the numbing and other stuff? I know we're not showing your face, but you can tell a number.
About 4.
About 4? Okay, good. That's not that bad. Like I was telling him that if he really likes the results, this is the first time he's doing it. If he really likes the results, this is something that with this amount of pain, he would still be able to do it one more time or a few more times. This is something which you will need to do once a year. At least once a year, if not twice. The filler part. The Botox you need to do often, but the filler part. So as you can see, look at it now. And so this was it, and I'm gonna post his picture soon so you can see like what it will look like. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.